All right, we're going to try this again. I'm going to analyze your websites for free. This is something that I usually charge thousands of dollars for. I'm going to do it for free. Number one, because it's something I enjoy doing. Analyzing websites for SEO is probably one of my favorite things to do. But number two, I also get to help you for free. Number three, I get free YouTube content. So last time we did this, I had people comment with their website, and I think YouTube blocked all the comments that had website names, so I didn't get any because the comments came in, they blocked them all because they had URLs in them. So how we'll do this is email me at this email right here, greg@searchific.com. You got to give me as much details about the site that you want me to analyze as possible. Also a disclaimer, the analysis will go publicly on YouTube, okay? So if you send me a website to analyze, part of the deal is it's going to be a public analysis. The subject, please make it YouTube site analysis. That way I know what's coming in the email and I don't delete it or skip it. For the body of the email, just give me details about the site again as much as you can and confirm in the email that you are okay with a public YouTube analysis. I need you to confirm for me to have your site. And you can send multiple sites. I don't care. I'm trying to do as many of these videos as possible because I think it's really good content for people to learn from. When you see a website analyzed over the shoulder, it really helps you with your own SEO skills. Also, it will directly help anyone that's getting their website analyzed. It's going to help you fix that website or improve it. And number three, it's something I enjoy doing and it's easy content. So it kind of works out for everyone, and that's why I want to do this. You know, currently I'm doing the PBN Network series, which is something that's made me millions of dollars, and I've sold as like $1,000 course for millions of dollars in sales, and it's getting like no views. So, not saying I won't continue with that specific series there, but with it getting just a couple hundred views per video, it's like, I guess not that many people are interested in it. Even though it's getting a lot of engagement from those people, it's not getting many views. I mean, I can make a basic video on-page SEO and it's getting thousands of views. And then this really high quality stuff that's made me lots of money and I've actually sold for money is getting very low views. So if you guys are interested in series like that, the engagement needs to go up, the views need to go up. I'm going to test some videos on website analysis and see how the views are on that, and then we'll take it from there. But again, if you want a website analysis, email me here, follow all these directions. You can send multiple websites. I don't care if you have 10 of them. It just gives me more content, gives you more feedback, and gives other people who are watching more kind of repetitions for seeing analysis done over the shoulder. All right, so it's going to be a quick video. I just wanted to shoot this out here. Send me your emails with your analysis you want, and I'll talk to you soon.